Assalamu alaikum, fam. Hope you're doing well. I got some new spices that I wanted to share with you. I've never tried mansaf. It's Jordanian. It seems it has a recipe here on the side. And I don't know what dried yogurt sauce is, but I'm going to have to look it up. I'm very excited to try experimenting with it. I also got another one called Turkish pul biberi. And it says here that pul biber means the pepper flakes, and it's made from the Aleppo chili. So I'm very excited to get trying this. This is where I got it from, the Bedouin Company, and they have a lot of really cool options. It's my first time buying from their spices. You can't find these in the local supermarket, and I have a bunch of different spices: Chinese, India, African, Mexican, all kinds. But I haven't expanded my Middle Eastern spices. So I'll go ahead and try these on, beef, chicken, duck. We'll see what we can do with it. And make some sauces from it. Maybe put on some potatoes. Experiment with it, and I'll let you know how it is. But one fun thing is that if you're running out of ideas to cook for your husband and your family, I highly recommend that you expand your seasonings. Play around with it, learn about it. The only way we learn is if we practice. So have some fun, and if you want, check out this company. They are also on Etsy too. So yeah, have a good day.